On this episode, I'll show you how to create these festive holiday earrings using polymer clay and JudiKins finishes. Condition and roll out a sheet of green clay. Cover clay sheet with plastic wrap. Cut tree shapes. Repeat with gold clay. Bake for 30 minutes at 275 degrees. Use clay adhesive to attach an earring post to the back of each earring. Bake for 30 minutes at 275 degrees. Cover earring post bases with liquid Sculpey and bake for another 30 minutes at 275 degrees. This is where I chose to customize my earrings with different finishes. I coated some of the green earrings with JudiKins Gold Mica Gloss ink. I coated several earrings with JudiKins Diamond Glaze and dipped them in white Prisma Ultrafine Glitter. I coated several gold earrings with Diamond Glaze and dipped them in JudiKins Gold Glass beads. Apply a coat of DuraClear gloss varnish to all pieces. For this and more fun projects and project supplies, visit our website. And don't forget to like us on social media.